Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the Tar.gz integrity and preparing a safe working area. Check the checksum and size so you know the archive is complete. Create a temporary restore directory and set secure permissions so files don't leak. Once done, stop the web server to prevent file locks and inconsistent reads while you extract. Use Tar.xzvf archive. Tar.gzc/tmp/restore to extract. Make sure extraction completes with no errors before you touch ownership or configuration files. You now move data into place and restore the database. First, rsync or cp from /tmp/restore to /var/www/site to preserve permissions and symlinks. Use delete carefully. Then import the SQL dump with MySQL user pdb name or pgrestore for PostgreSQL, watching for errors and character set issues. Once the DB is in, update configuration files for credentials and base URL so the app can connect. Make sure file ownership matches the web server user. Chown r www data as needed. You finish by restarting services and validating the site end-to-end. Start the web server and any background workers, then clear application caches and restart PHP-FPM or similar. Once done, test the home page, login, file uploads, and a few critical pages to confirm behavior. Inspect Nginx/Apache and application logs for errors. If something breaks, the most common issues are wrong permissions, missing PHP extensions, or DB connection strings. Check ownership, enable modules, and rerun the DB import.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.